How to get unbanned from TikTok Live. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you get unbanned from your TikTok Live. So let's get started. First, after you open TikTok and from there, if you are trying to go live and if you got the message like you are banned temporarily or permanently, you will see a appeal button just at the right from the banner or prompt. Simply tap on that and submit your case via within the app. If you not see that, you'll have to just report a problem. For that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. From your profile section, tap on three dots at the top right. And from your tap on settings and privacy. From settings and privacy, you'll have to scroll down and tap on report a problem. From your tap on hosting live. And from your tap on live is suspended. From your tap on no, tap on suspended account. And from your tap to check if your account has been suspended. From your I am getting the option like my account is safe. In your case, if you find any options like your account has been suspended, simply from your you can get options like appeal a request. From there, you'll have to just provide your username, email or explain the issue and attach the screenshot if possible. After you provide all of the details and your problem, TikTok support team will review your problem and from there you can simply unban from your TikTok live. And that's it. This is the method. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to keep a like and subscribe for more tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.